Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Stanley Heavy Duty Staple Gun. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. This Stanley staple and brad gun features an easy to squeeze trigger and comfortable handle to reduce hand fatigue. The all-metal drive channel ensures better penetration. It can be used to drive Stanley Sharpshooter, TRA 700 series or Arrow T50 heavy duty narrow crown staples, or a 1/2 inch, 9/16 inch or 5/8 inch brads. The features and benefits include the following. The Easy Squeeze product works over time as a staple gun, brad nailer, cable tacker and wire tacker. The all-metal drive channel ensures better penetration and has less force to squeeze and more driving power. The heavy-duty aircraft aluminium housing for long-lasting durability and has a high-low power lever for hard and soft materials. It has a flush nose design which solves the problem of stapling in tight spots, and a lockdown handle for safe storage. Finally, it has a quick view window which simplifies stable identification. Stanley is a leading global manufacturer of hand tools, power tools and related accessories, and the flagship brand of the wider Stanley Black & Decker Corporation. Ever since its foundation in 1843, Stanley has been committed to providing professionals across the globe with products which are smart, tough, pioneering and up to the task. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.